trawlers are aligning up from Volta region right down to the western region. 200 fishing communities. And I am a crying, my China for one of the trawlers. And pray you so no say. Because come who ye, and number dear, yet check a say no woman, na ye giant kuma no woman no more. As when they, Yama China for crying, Yama China for crying. Make us so, say, Yama China for crying. Emma Naman Kitten Kitty a woman yin, Anka Dache, Yabako to a moon swim, Aqua Mabba Fiat, Yabayadria near Diano, one more prasa Naman Kitten Kitty na. Nania near Timakuma when he say, I come to my Naman Kitten Kitano, common famra. As us woman here, I can see no woman in tea. One ye, and Namonoa. No, my ye, I can see a crano a woman, Nankitan Getano, one more 12 punim, and I'm no more no. I must have 12 punim. Now, I must have 12 punim. Polluting our waters. Almost saying so. No. Now, young Kawamoshe, China for no. Research actually say trawlers are what Ghana ha. Trawlers are, and then I'm young so. And 90%, 90% China for there. 90% of trawlers operating on our waters belong to Chinese. China for the now, I was saying, say, Obekom, no. Now, China need ya. Why in the Nimasha Ghana ni? Why in the Nimasha Ghana ni? And to initially, no, Obekom said, be a Ghana need ya. And so Obekom, no, now China need ya. And one more bomb, Maineka. In 2017 alone, 2017 a car ya boy, sika a buying a shilling, psycho China for ya. Over 50 million US dollars. 50 million US dollars. Sika a car buying boy, sika a shilling. $50 million US dollars. Ani ete ho. Ani ete ho. Sa Ghana ni ade ne hiama ne kanu esipo ne so na okoyi nam. Na wakọ wadi DDT, wadi light, wadi dynamite. Ekọ koyi nam no a yeche no. Yeche no. So Ghana ni a yeche no. Enti basem bisa ne say Adenti ana yasha China for ma womo practices are psycho Adenti tiawa ana kayen jani nyina yan tungum awre ho eya so man yashamra yaniso Emranu dibinom, emranu ndibinom. Ena apofufo, wama suogu amoyam saa. Wasore amache na watisipu yuso a. Ba kochina bi the whole day. Ebi mutimi di days awapuso. Ensapan na omde aba. Semre eshi fuel. Se adaje. Mieko so yesu eso no. Enye Enye Saiko ya kwaso ya bohu dewura ba enkofo nyuma egu fisherman wamintimi ntia wamadwuma ya foka wamintimi ntia wamama school fees esa China for subaboni omuda na dipone so na ne emi ya ne say ya power observers, fishing observers, Ministry of Fisheries, what power observers are. And Katrola be to free tama, na consuelo soa, observer about kutim, only a munko, na kɔhwɛ adwuma no ɔmo yɛ no sɛ ɔmo practice cycle bia ɛwɔ nsuo no so a observers no kɔ ɛde nkran ne ba yɛnyɛ ho hwee bi kura China foi observers ɛde ɔmo kɔpo no China for no nim ɔmo no ɔmo nim ne ɔmo de Ghana for observers a ɔmo de ɔmo kɔpo ɛtebɛte na obi ayira ɔkɔɛ wansan ama Emmanuel Essien last year July afi pepepepepepepe Emmanuel Essien observer wa yirai nsuo so besinna yanka ho hwe investigation ni akwa akosie yante hwe ana yagigi China fo yi so yagigi eso so omo so a ana womo asay yemen womo say oman no let me be very frank say anhwe ni ya dachi nchirima baba yesobo na me kwa homa no so na me twetwe nkomo na na kwaja waya pufu panin pa wakwadare pusu adwuma no akwadare pa na na bato to me ka me akwaba
yo mejo so menya
me bato se ho ye de
yankopon adom ye ho ye din de but me ba kan de ye ho ye
but nana maybe the can be say inti matra se ayanhwe haya masai koyi koso wo bi ka se muntu ho anamo monye ho hwe a obeyina no sen nana
so bi kadama na nipa ko no sabi onyimza oreka na oreka no so on traffic onamede yenyim kura yenyim de Ghana ye wombra otia saiko edwuma a wore ye ne sesiare Ghana hembra tia de vessel biara intum in transfer inam on tranship at sea Ghana hembra tia de onyido biara chi juvenile fish inam onso de woyi na oliye efi nsunum Ghana hembra tia de onyide yeze ebu a nenwa yen kakrama yeze ko epunum
me ba na number ba Ghana we di kaka mpese osansusu bio Ghana yemra kire se etiamra se uber transfer vessel
tranship fish at sea
ne di kan no ne etosu mienu etiamra
otiamra se wo ba chi juvenile fish enama wonyini enu si tiamra Ghana otiamra so there is ebu a nenwa undersized mesh is boko epo no so otiamra afi trollers nankasa wo ye adwuma no so wo baby a embremo ho kwa license na wo de mo hon baby potty wo ho kire de ho na won ye adwuma license na mo hon ko de wo baba inshore exclusive zone oye 30 meter depth another 6 nautical miles within that space no embrace there vessel baba be ye adwuma ho nti abribiara wo ye de adwuma no siamra nti nya ba no wo de obi wo ka de obi nto anamon foforo bia sabi fisheries commissioner oye regulator no onyimmre ya ye kan wasemi Minister of Fisheries, Omimimrea Yakawasemi, Parliament in Mimrea Wakawasemi, Cabinet in Mimrea Wakawasemi, President in Mimrea Yakawasemi. This will be Kado Bintana Mofa, you want to move you operate you too. On them there, Zawali says, Olugu for a human, it is collapsing the artisanal fishing. And they are way, Yimukra there, Scientific and Technical Working Group. They have made that boldly to the Ministry, to the Fisheries Commission, to every industry player. That it is the most destructive form of IUU. The Messiah on all say a human cry. It is a regulator no Oya Nasabi on them dear Yagin Yan de Bianesica wominti were dead at the Mujima Yonkodu. Now close to 3 million people, Ghanaians, would depend directly on the sea. One Abrabonya Basabasa. Onyan kawan na hochin kawan na asutena wo nsuanu onye basa na so wose yentu anamoni biara mu anamo wo hwem
but that's a friend mama na me na kwaja yentu aso na me ne ntu aso medical catchraw so 2017 a car sai koi ebo my Ghana over 50 million US dollars. Nana Sambaso. Hello, Nana.
Majido, obey.
Now, Gusukasa.
Yeah, Mamma there. say embrema abobodi ina wo ho regulator Fisheries Commission regulator inyum mbra ya ka wasami ministry inyum mbra ya ka wasami na government inyum mbra ya ka wasami a abadi bi no wo hwe ma afrafo yaye ansana wa stop cycle yenyum cross yenyum dem and ma kan ma say kan build 2020 budget Minister of Finance is equal to Emrashe Begofo enyim last year okan wo me de 2020 budget cycle Inti sabi abani yo onyim de sai ko onyanti no so boche sai ko no inti say ya be 2020 let's say in the year ke say July mu ne yewe let's say still abani nke sai ko no na ba di biom na abani hwe ma farfo aye abadi biom na sabi abani hwe ma farfo aye ansa no wo sai ko se le ben so na ahoche abani bo yenam danu na obi kasa do se a premise mo ho se a premise ho men come Ghana you be today. Premise all what say on them that for one couple ninety in a premise no so. Say a purple when into Poko I did not afraid biara. Because it a premise is Zuko. A babaka into a purple a Poko iodine into the premise in all them a bureau. The purple support says Sierra. Premise over on the crumpo. Premise always says Sierra. A purple what's a part sit a walker. On the crumpo. Into a blouse over there a bay ordinary form. There has been an open letter to the president. There a lot of petitions and here and there. Everybody is talking about cycle. For once, government, infinite system, non fede. Mobaya, a powerful one bottom one. In Mobaya, and none more way, and we do one bottom one in tea. A bundle of shit wait at them cycle in Mahotaba. And yet, no one artisanal fishing will collapse. Now, I want to blow a Benson and Sano and Sana. Yes, I said, yeah, baby. But then you put a KB in a way that Mr. Yukui. No one is the what did you want no what that? Now, a proper do what son in our watching one. How about into the yet no way I can have Madame Yezi? No, we have a boy for Fosmo. That purple way then. You cry, you the ministry now, waging a baby I can. There, a versus I won't see me say, no, 90%. Oh, Chinese. Chinese and Korean. Chinese and Korean. Into Bantan, yet no ya you can hire more the Mazi. What say you pre-cra and Sana? View over there, Yana. It's open a purple that able to Yayama Aban ya banning in Quam Babiara. Then last year, government cut which was Cycum 2020. Maybe last year, no government castle became 2020. Ghana Industrial Trawlers Association, JETA. What was one track? I think somewhere around November 2019. Extra Qatar to command Ministry of Fisheries. So one more suspended, psycho operation. One more suspended, and that's the word. Suspension of psycho operation. Nana. That is the most insulting. That is the most insulting thing that has happened in our industry. The perpetrator no reason yano. Ultimate let come a regulator. There may suspend as the bond now may yano. Nippon only as the bond now. Oh, one case regulator in you there as an imperial Otiambrano. Ono Otumi Yakuduno or Cho letter bro. Oh, regulator there. As the bond now may suspend. Or today I'm Robert. Yet on I'm Robert. Watch you come IGP there. Say you're suspending here. I'm robbery Nikaka. What should the IGP do? IGP there. On them sent you binti the Mubusumi, I'm robbery. Is that not insulting? Is that not insulting? And they wrote this letter to the minister, and the minister never responded. The minister never responded. If the ministry responded, response a minister not by. If indeed the ministry responded, because we know the ministry never responded to that letter. If the ministry responded, we would like to see what the response of the ministry was. And the next thing is that when they even said that, they never stopped and nobody stopped them. They themselves never stopped and nobody stopped them. Period now, suspend the cycle. They were still at sea, catching juvenile fish, catching small pelagics within the inshore exclusive zone. In your obedience about Fuko William in a way who is also no Abibiara Obiba Lande pelagic fishing or Panwo inshore exclusive zone because pelagic fish, small pelagics, no, they are only found in that quantity within the inshore exclusive zone. Yeah, in the vessels, the Yaman license there 1 year, 1 part demersal fishes. Bottom trawl, 1 year bottom trawl. Into so what per surface and mid water fishes are. Then they are fishing in the inshore exclusive zone. And it is clear. Again, trawlers, 1 more per juvenile fish. At least in studies are University of Cape Coast for years. And it is against the law for a vessel to be landing juvenile fish. It is against the law for a vessel to transship at sea. It is happening. It is happening.
Nana Meba. Ministry of Fisheries, Mikaiso, 1 more at Pau. Ekuo. Fishing observers. Trawler bia tour. Ya the observer ba kutenem. Say one kono go hwe adwuma trawlers no mo kwakodi wapono so. Say observers na adwuma no mo nye. Ana report no mo de batin pen for mfa. Nana.
When observer reporter observer. Ministry make catch observer there. Your report is exaggerated.
Hey.
Observer reporter wakofaba. Mpenimfo omo ministry omo ka say observer report is exaggerated. How can this happen? An observer that you have trained and you have put in that vessel. So uncle you say the uncle no for report in the brano. Observer no report in the baya because it indicts the vessels. They say the observer's report is exaggerated. And a situation where observer be now one son nature wamba. What do you expect other observers to be doing? And you should also know that these observers are being paid by this by DITA versus Yankasa. Observers.
Oh, I see. Meba. Ghana Industrial Trawlers Association. Are you observers?
Yes, there's an arrangement. So the money that you pay them come from these observers. Come from these vessels.
Meba. Me observer no. Say trawlers in the car. And then report Papa Medeba.
Yeah, and the next thing is that you put one person in the midst of these people who are armed. Some are armed. What do you expect the observers to be doing? In any case, we have a vessel monitoring system. How efficient has that system been? The vessel monitoring system, how efficient has that system been that we are unable to track the activities of these vessels? For us to put, to risk the life of an individual to be on board, and a situation where someone goes and the person does not return. What else do you expect other observers to be doing and to be writing? And who takes the report of these observers serious? My brother, it is a serious matter, and for that matter, government will have to sit down. Because government cannot look on while the industry collapses. And it is shameful for Ghanaians to sit down for these Chinese to destroy, to collapse the artisanal fishing. It is extremely shameful for us as Ghanaians to sit down and look on while these foreigners collapse artisanal fishing. It is artisanal fishing which creates employment for the ordinary fisher, for the ordinary coastal boy. It is these artisanal fishing that create employment for the women, the fish processors. Now children going to school in coastal communities depend on this fishing. So it is shameful for us to sit down and look on for foreigners to destroy our sea, to destroy artisanal fishing, to collapse the industry, all because somebody somewhere is getting something.
Nana, anapana me research kakra. Na me pia de bi so me yam sheme. Say an average cycle canoe. And number of betiano, an average cycle canoe. And number of betiano over 400 artisanal canoes.
Yes.
Hey.
And that is what is happening. And that is what the regulator is looking on. That is what the ministry is looking on. And for that matter, the government is looking on to happen. For foreigners to perpetuate this on the ordinary Ghanaian. Meanwhile, the ordinary fisher has no other livelihood. The ordinary fisher has no other livelihood. We solely depend on the sea. The entire family, the entire community depend on the sea. And government should have mercy, should have compassion for the ordinary fishers that we find in these coastal communities.
Well, me say abaye ntua number 1. Near scientists womaka. Near scientists aka Say the fish population in Ghana hano by 2020 and amasibetu our epum.
Yeah. The small pelagic. Yeah, and that is the people's fish. I prefer Ghana ha yakopono. And nama yepa only small pelagic no. In fact, that is what we catch the most, and that is what the population depend on. Eban in demba and konana za ya company ayen. On the Nshuma they did say 2020. I've been into my young BBA all about 2020 it can collapse. And the evidence has started manifesting. It is showing clearly. Now one can say who and come around weapon on Panunda come and fear you finding them in the message of my Eben no in Zera. In the why are we sitting down looking on for this to happen? At a time when the President of the Republic is eminent co-chair of Sustainable Development Goals, that should also be put on record that we are lucky to have our President being eminent co-chair of Sustainable Development Goals. And Go 14 talks about life underwater and the sea.
Nana Mameno say, na yamfancy ha, Nana Kweja, a fisherman. And what de yawo kasa. What the yaw kasa. Mamango manu subi na meni ora Socrates Apetogbo or your fisheries programs manager Environmental Justice Foundation. Of Socrates me makwaba. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning, Mr. Socrates. Can you hear me? Mr. Apetogbo, please turn down the volume on your radio set.
Is that okay?
Hello, good morning. I'm getting feedbacks here. If you can turn off your... Yes. Na meneno entretwe and komo. Say anya hushi ayenga na monwe. Hello, Mr. Apetogbo, can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Good morning and thanks for joining us.
Good morning.
So, first off, tell us, how do you describe the current state of the country's fishing industry, good or bad?
I would say maybe for the simplest way for all of us to understand, I would say that the fishery is on life support, as a good friend of mine will always say. If it is on life support, I think we all understand. It means we are in a state of emergency. Because, like the fisher was rightly saying, so when your science for ACA, this year, business continue as usual. And now to you can't say sadnella buying science Rebecca said mackerel natural say some baby buy you who chrome no imported free pumo
Yakra near deba.
This
is serious.
Anna say me afra for over 2,000 akasa from Volta region all the way to Western region. Now, how much say you can't buying anchovy, naturally say Qatar school boys, no, any Samaina. How much say anchovy in Kwana, Omutainya. Into Saudi way compare near science for the Kana. Naturally say even this year in the crampon yakechi. Now say so a collapse here. Other countries actually say it takes at times more than 10 years to recover. Naturally say if I say jai na your money ma we are saying say over directly over 140,000 fishermen. But
Socrates, how did we get here? What then I acquire contributing factors are am I a bedroom baby as see an doing?
Well, and Nambia not to say nipa, I was say ujai, a drew baby or say ujai, now ma in Ketwano and now Framano. That is the juvenile fish, Omuni, norm so more normal replenishing. Nti uyi a de bia uyi nam na edru baby a send amount a uyi free eponym no e wo say uyi in such a way say every year bia obekọ no obenya bi wo eponym ba yen no sesia no yes yeyi ana yeyi mmoframa no yeyi mpenifo no yeyi obia nti no enam no baby a edru no it is the worst possible position say une fisherman kasa bumper harvest. No, because almost said, when was the last time who be a friend bumper harvest? That is over 5-6 years ago, or even 10 years. No who be bisa. Into no illegalities, no one way or the other, no. Any senior, you be enforcing Yama ama and Kofwaye and Yama esse your friend responsible fishing practices, no. Yeah, any honor and a contributing near maybe say. Okay, recently government here be a friend of close season. Sir, and the more when we are near ma say Yagusu ya a bebwa. Now so be sound says, we are close season. That's illegalities when su gusu wahwa. That's close season Emma and Namno Atun Kosiano Moawono. Now illegalities needs to and now from mana ya woman. At the end of the day, it is counterproductive.
Okay, in fact, on this close season, and Daily Graphic back page, I reported 2020 close fishing season called off. Next year close season, no, and it's here, and Daily Graphic back page. Okay.
I see. Wow. Naturally, say, make sure me near mano. Me can be fair. This year, I feel very sad because if there is no close season, let's say, I dear your friend a cycle, ye and Moframano tituni bebreno, and also cost as business as usual, dear. Then, a dear year preventive say ye behono will happen this year. When you say prophet of doom, and now now so, and now I will say you're protected about 10% of the whole population depending on a Namway. That is over 2.7 million.
Yes.
Not allow this situation to continue there. And Kame Niame says a closest in point to Miamba, be a COVID and I be being a medium minim. At least Aka Nyama Emma yes say upon no dear. Can say you two and a motitu a bit to me a stop it. It says cycle and no so trawlers and no more muya. Now you near cycle near about 90% in kitchen about 40 to 50% a year near any say or much crampo. That's sa adiwe gusu koso dia.
So great, Mamin Bissau a straight to the point question. Why na yamfa subono embono already makachrew at the back page of the Daily Graphic 2020 close fishing season called off. Why na yamfa subono embono nyayehu?
Usually science may blame game say why na say and ya dia a solve solution. But me painting way situation on na nyina ya fa ya adwen to ho. Me gidi say yanka ye enforce laws na anka sa eniema we no eto betwa anase be brase. To say troller be last year. Ya chain say why this illegality. Walande nama eni say or wakoche nama eni say oche. Ana gear net I say or the chinam no. You who say only correct one or correct one or some work another one any say or then possessing. Now you're finding 1 million. Not this year, you know papers must say the same vessel. Yes, actually be or yes similar offense. Question is first one now 1 million way into ya. Case no court. But they say no saying your license they couple. And so the same thing. Now say debia we koswa. Why no bedi mraneso? Now see in dim mraneso so na free for all. Trawlers ni ye way. Na canoe for ye way. It means that everything is just confusion. let me put it in the simplest term.
Abani Socrates, my young fan de ninsi ha na me adoma ukwada mesanso aba ho chen bi wadaroma.
Me da sepa.
Socrates apetogbo Fisheries Program Manager, Environmental Justice Foundation. And I'm in no atwetwe enkomono. And it is sad. Honorable Theophilus Tetechai on the translated that me who said as an anoyan meka. Honorable Akwaba.
Minya yenia.
Anapay me yam crash chime. Me would ho. Me show videos of me in Facebook say CIA. Any nipa bone somewhere Chinese for yama wa mukwan ya Ghana for yama Chinese for kwan ma enam nkumankuma ankadache womo ana yede yani ba beto so no womo pra ni nyina psycho ekoso yani galamse eku ewo yense ase so yani psycho so eku ewo yensuo so very worrying. Honorable
CJ anope ma minchi awuti efo nyina
etefo joso
ana anope yemi de se yimini minwa Titus Global na eba be program bi baba
ma hunu
nti no topics a wo ye hwe na anope no topics a ehun hia yi pa na me ba no na mu yi video no wo mu Facebook page na me hwe reho na CJ anope I say, who say, who bread, who
no, but honorable, my home hame.
Tie, wahumi eti. Adiani say, you were institutions are. Omu in charge of your fisheries. Hunyama ewo memu. Now, I had to say, ye nyanumu afare for mu jumana omu yeno. Politics and a yede. Inti asen when abani fee say ubenya political capital out of it, Now we use it as the team in terms of nyama oye. Ubekaya. Just last year, now 2 years ago, abani decided say obe implementing close season. Fishermen
Agitation.
Omuni abani enya grow.
Yes. Yes.
And Abai say, or you determine so be making sure say, sa closing season no, omo di be ye juma. A son says senior papa no ene wo kano. Ano ene be ma fishing industry no, e betumi apegem. Ma me ne wo yetumi enya the protein a ye nyina ye nidi a ye di betena yi wiase mu a ye wo yi. Abai ni insist here e implement here. Me bo ana. Ene dia na asisa. And they are not simply because the fisher folks, resist this idea, And say, dear Narcissa, you are quite about to dream. That is the simplest reason.
I see.
You are quite about to dream. That is the simplest reason.
You are quite about to Bremuntina Banwe Jai Bibia Gusano.
Exactly. Because Omun Pese, a Farufono, ever resist Sadiano. That is the truth. That is the truth. Once a papa no who can say your call is idea no off no a shocking.
Yes.
A shocking. And see, that is the sort of leadership you're providing a man called for omudi to me amaye.
Honorable Tetechai,